Good morning. Such a beautiful smile in the morning. Okay. What do you want to tell Mom? Dada. Dada, Mama. What else do you want to tell Mommy? Oh. And? Okay. Mommy and Daddy will come back, okay? Kyrie. Nikki, Mommy and Daddy will come back. Okay. We're just going to go to work. Okay? And Auntie KK will go to school. And we'll all come back. Oh. And we'll all come back, right, Auntie KK?
Yeah.
Okay. See, Auntie KK will say bye to you.
Bye.
Bye. I'll say bye. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Okay. Bye, baby love. Okay. Why are you looking at Auntie KK? What else do you want to say?